Is your Dodge Grand Caravan key fob not working? The first steps are simple. Check the battery and try resynchronizing it. The key fob uses a CR232 battery, which typically lasts 2 to 5 years. Replace it if the range is reduced or there's no response. Corrosion on the battery contacts can also cause issues, so clean them if necessary. After replacing the battery, resynchronize the fob by cycling the ignition and pressing the lock-unlock buttons in sequence, usually within 10 seconds. A horn beep often confirms success. For 2011 Plus models, use the vehicle's info screen or a scan tool for advanced syncing. These steps solve most common issues. If replacing the battery and resynchronizing doesn't work, the problem might be with the Totally Integrated Power Module, or TIPM. This is the electrical brain of your Grand Caravan. Try a TIPM reset by pulling the TIPM fuse, which is typically 20S. Wait 30 seconds, then reinstall it. If that doesn't fix it, especially in high-mileage vans, the TIPM itself may be faulty due to overheating or capacitor degradation. Aftermarket TIPM replacements cost $300 to $800. But consider professional diagnosis, as TIPM issues can affect other systems. If you have ruled out the fob itself and the TIPM, consider that there is a slim chance of the car receiver failing or the vehicle's ECU needing a refresh.